Oh, I feel a sneeze coming on. I don't think I've sneezed on stream.
We never?
I don't think ever. Wait, chat says that I have. Wait, when did I sneezed?
Oh my gosh. The receipts.
Oh.
The receipts.
Nothing is hidden. Oh, Aya says, I've heard him sneeze in VC before. How does that feel, Ren Vaders?
Dang, I really putting salt on the wound.
Oh.
So yeah, I heard your Oshi sneeze in private. What are you gonna do about it?
It's like a really loud, obnoxious one. I wouldn't, you know.
What, are you like a lion roar? Like, ah!
Yeah, kinda.
Oh, like I don't know how to make my sneezes quiet. Like you know, some people they like sneeze and they're like.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that. I
like,
feel like I'm gonna
like-
recoil back, my brain's gonna explode.
Yeah, like hello. There's this, like a whole sneeze coming. Like, isn't the whole point to like get it out? Like,
Yeah.
and they're just like. Like sometimes I would try to hold my sneeze back, and I would like physically like hurt my like back of like my throat.
Yeah.
You shouldn't do
The
that.
pressure.
So I'm gonna pop my ears if I try to hold it in.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Your sneezes are cute though. I reel back as far as I can from the mic. Y'all don't understand. I'm like, "Ah!" Like I get that far.
I bet your sneeze, Aster, is like,
What?
Wait, have you sneezed on stream before?
A couple times, yeah. I'm like,
Aster
if I can like
Arcadia sneeze.
shoot.
Someone has to have clipped it, right?
Just gotta search out my sneeze.
I swear to God, it's like a cute little sneeze like that, probably.
I'm like,
One sec, chat. One sec.
I'm like, or something.
Yeah, he's like, a cat.
I don't count my sneeze.
Wait, y'all had a whole Twitter conversation about this?
About sneezing?
Oh, Maria said, I want to hear
Oh.
Aster sneeze. Someone please clip it.
Oh yeah.
And then it happened.
It did happen, yes.
Okay, that's it. You guys, you twisted my arm. I'm gonna look it up.
I
No,
posted
Ren,
it.
don't look at my
I posted it.
Oh, you
sneeze.
posted it? Oh,
Yeah.
okay, yeah. Even better. Thank you.
Wait, let me hear it. Where is it? Right there.
Aster Arcadia sneeze. Alright. 45 seconds? That's a long sneeze.
Oh no, there's like the whole Twitter convo about it initially, and then where it's, you know, when YouTube has like that thing where it's like the most viewed portion.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
where he sneezes.
Oh, okay. Most replay.
Okay.
It is cute!
No! No!
It kind of sounds like half sneeze, half cough.
My sneeze is very.
Oh yeah. There's not much of the vocal cords engaged. It's just the
Yeah.
yeah.
I'm a variety sneezer.
Variety sneezer.
Wait, how varying? How variety?
I have like the lion's roar sneeze, you know, when I'm like alone. But then normally, you know, so I'm not like yelling. I kind of just do like the I don't know, a normal sneeze, like or something, right? I do that.
That's a normal.
That's not a
Yeah.
normal sneeze.
Okay.
dude.
Okay.
Wait, that's a normal sneeze. I'm
Okay.
Like, no, it's normal for you, you know, but like.
And I do the half and half, like I'm like I kind of do it loud, but not really, like
The half and half.
or something like that.
Oh my gosh, it's like a whole pizza order. Half pepperoni and half cheese.
Variety sneezer. Let's record it. I'm a VTuber.
I love VTuber.
Anyone land with us?